Everyone, it's Salena here at AmourFabriQues. How are you guys? Welcome back to a daily deal. Yes, I am back from vacation, taking a couple weeks off. I'm going to have other videos upcoming that I will go over in detail about the vacation and the Traveler's Junk Journal Kit. But if you're new here, hi, hello. It's nice to meet you. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. This is a daily deal, and if you are not aware of what a daily deal is, daily deals are usually deals that I post that are new items I stock into the shop. They usually sell out the first day, sometimes the next week, but depending on how many kits I have, like in this case, I have 30 kits. They will be, what you see is what you get. I listed them individually. So therefore you get to choose your kit because it was nearly impossible to make them identical other than the fabrics. The fabrics will be exactly the same. But I'm going to go dig right in it here in a minute. But if you want to know the price, it will be $34. Free shipping if you spend they're $34. But if you spend $35, it's free shipping in the shop. USA only, of course. But they are under a pound, so the shipping weight, if you're just purchasing this item for $34, is usually going to be around $6 to ship. I do have priority bubble mailers if you do add items to this listing that are $8.30. But that's heads up on that if you choose those shipping options if you're just buying the kit by itself. But this kit is inspired by the 1700s to the 1800s fashion. So I had a bunch of these beautiful book pages, which I'll be doing pages first. They are double-sided, and it's 30 pack pages. Each pack will be, like I said, double-sided. And what I absolutely love about these papers is when you're making them into signatures into your journal, look at that. It's like you'll have fashion people on every side. They're colorful pages and they're black and white. I'll go through those here in a little bit. But like I said, when you go straight to the listing in the shop, you're going to get a screenshot of the first picture of what button pack you're getting, what spool of wool woven thread you're going to be getting, and what belt buckle you're getting. Everything else is pretty much identical. I didn't say yet, but each pack that you do purchase will get a gift with purchase. It'll be for every pack. I've added this gift with every pack. So if you get 3 packs, you're getting 3 gifts. And what I did was I did like 2 or 3 doilies. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 doilies. And this beautiful piece of lace that's inside there and a vintage button. And in this case, this is pack number 1 I'm showing you guys today, the display. So those who want to know when they see this kit, they're like, I want pack number 1. This is what pack number 1's going to look like. But like I said, every kit I'll be adding one of these button packs, this button and lace doily packs to each. Here's the basket. I'll give you guys this quick peek of what they will look like. No matter which gift I put in there, they're gorgeous. Look at it. Aren't they gorgeous? I just put a lot of love into figuring out, look at that crown. Oh my gosh. But if you really want a specific button for your gift with purchase, just hey, when you go to purchase one in the shop, to say, hey, Salena, I really want that crown, or I really want, I'll try to dig it out and first come, first serve kind of thing. Isn't that gorgeous? But there's so many, just so many. Aren't they gorgeous? I love the crown. I would have to say it's my favorite one. All right, so this is the gift with every purchase. Like I said, I have 30 kits. I'll go through the paper pack here and the card pack, but I'll start this way because there's so many beautiful pieces. Now, each pack, there is a vintage button card, and it'll have all the buttons complete. Again, this is pack number 1. I love those green buttons. And they're just gorgeous, right? You get the vintage spool. All right, so this is the fabric pack that I put together. Every pack, it's identical. The size is identical and everything. I didn't put the measurements in each, but these are samplers. Like we got velvet. These are velvets, like gold. This is a burgundy, and this is like a thick woven. Look at this royal blue. I just thought these colors are absolutely gorgeous and match the theme that's in this pack. So, like I said, you get 30 pages. Fold them in half, that's 60 pages. That gives you what? Is that a complete journal? It depends on what size journal you're doing, right? But in this pack, there is 4 junk journal covers. So you got 1, 2 here, 3, and 4. I'll go over them here in a minute. I just can't wait. I'll just show this fabric first. I added, of course, some deep royal purples. This lace is pretty large. I think we're at 12 by, you can see it. It's like this mauve-y purplish color. And of course I'd put some silk in there. And this is like the royalish color with some roses on it. Refold that back here in a minute. Like I said, each pack, whatever kit you choose, will have a belt buckle. This one here is mother of pearl. This is kit number 1. It's nice heavyweight. I just kind of looped it right through there. Each pack will have this beautiful brocade. I don't know if you can see. It will keep shredding on the outsides, and it will look really cute like a sari silk. And then when it does shred, it's going to have this most beautiful yellow that's going to pop out. I didn't want to shred it because maybe somebody didn't want it to fray. Shred, I meant fray. But I left it the way it is. But the more you rub on that, the more the fray will happen. Like I said, you'll get this beautiful, looks almost like that yellow right there along the edges. But each pack will have a beautiful applique that looks almost identical. There's 2 different kinds. There's 15 that look like this, and 15 that don't have the leaves on the side. But I just thought it was beautiful applique. Again, like I said, everyone will have a buckle to choose from. So this is the smallest junk journal cover. This one here is an 8 by 12, almost like a Reader's Digest size. This came from a very vintage, like upholstery type fabric. It's embossed and raised, almost like a chenille. It's just beautiful. And each kit is very similar to this. Some don't have as much red or blues. More have some greens. But when you go to choose your kit, you'll see the top of what yours will look like when you go to look. Each kit will have a 12-inch piece of either fringe. Some of the kits you'll see will have like the beads, kind of like a beaded type thing. But you'll have to check that out. All right, now the fuzzies are free, so I apologize. So the first piece, so these cuts here are 10.5 by 14.5. Awesome size for your junk journal. This is a very thick upholstery. This is a velvet upholstery that is, gosh, I don't know how old. It's pretty old. I don't know if you can see the design in there, but it's raised as well, almost like a chenille feel, but it's more velvety, and it's going to be awesome when you do sew that in. It's going to be beautiful. It's really thick and beautiful. Like I said, it matches the Victorian 1700-1800'S like color palette. You know, it's just gorgeous. I had to throw in some soft blue. This one here is just as well, just gorgeous, isn't it? It's got a gold and like a soft blue. This is a French brocade that I cut from this very expensive fabric. Again, I apologize the fuzzies. I didn't do a roller on this guy before I did this video. I just opened up pack number 1 for you. But I don't know if you can see this, but it is a raised velvet that is embroidered around it on top of a beautiful brocade that if you turn it a certain way, it does like a 2 different I don't know what you call that kind of color. It's just gorgeous. I could totally see a junk journal cover out of that. All right, guys, run on over there. I guess before I do, I got the basket here. I can show you kit 1, kit 2, kit 3. So if you're still around, you can watch and see me pull these kits and show you the front and back. They're already packaged, ready to ship for you guys today. They'll be first thing Monday morning because today is Saturday. So Monday morning they will ship out. And so like I said, they're ready to go. They're already in the shop, so you might want to run on over there. Down below is the direct link to the shop to go grab your kit. But already down here, I got it in the basket, ready to go, ready to package. I can pull out a handful, I guess. This is kit number 20. I'm going backwards here. I really wanted to go this way. All right, so here's kit number, we are at, should be number 2, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, number 2. Well, look at that beautiful belt buckle. So when you get it, it will be packaged just like this. Gorgeous. And look at that spool. You got a purple wool. The beautiful yellow button card to match the yellow belt buckle. That's 2. Let's see here. Here should be 3 because I had them in order and now I got to redo them again. As you can see, there's the back. Oh wait, I didn't go through the pages. I feel like a bonehead. Sorry guys, for those who are watching like, I want to see the book pages. All right, so here's 3. Look, you got the green. Okay, let me set this down. You guys can run over to the shop and see them individually. They're already posted in the shop, but I meant to do the book pages. I do apologize. I'm doing, like I said, this one-handedly, and I keep saying I'm going to start using my tripod, and I don't. I will have to get back into that. Okay. I don't know how many pages. I think every pack has like 3 pages of this kind of colorful. But look at that. This is the 1700s. Again, we got this, like I said, this is pack 1. Every pack is so different. But look at that. If you fold that in half, look at, for your signature page, you got, isn't that cool? All right. Check this out for you. So again, like I said, they're all double-sided. Look how cute that is. This looks like you get 3 pages of the black and white. I know I had more of the other ladies. Here we are, the colorful. So this is the 1930s. See, I did a variety. So you guys had a variety, an era, 1920s and 30s in this one. Oh, that's right. So every pack has one of these. This is a copyright-free. It's black and white, but it's copyright free. Oh, look here, I forgot to tell you, you do have book pages. I think 2, in fact, yes. Book pages of like articles of hats, purses, dresses. Beautiful pages. Oops, sorry guys, I turned my camera. I think it's like 2 or 3 pages. We did an assembly line, so it was kind of, here we go. Maybe if I flip this. Okay, so advertisement of rings. There's boots. It was like so many. But no matter which side you guys choose, it will be just gorgeous. All right, I'm just gonna flip through really quick. All right, oops, sorry, I'm not in sync here. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, I know we had more pages of those ladies. But like I said, black and white and colorful pages. I'm kind of hoping not messing this one up here. All right, here's another fashion one. You can't beat it. Just a lot of gorgeous pages. All about fashion. That's definitely fashion there. All right, guys, run on over there. It's packed. That's all I knew, though. Great price. Beautiful fabrics. I'm glad to deliver this one for you guys. You guys have a beautiful weekend. Bye, guys.